Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 14. This week, under our module instructions, it is indicated that we will be reading Chapter 14 in our textbook. Some items that we'll be learning this week will be how the family and staff or even students will evaluate a program in this setting. So not just staff members, but how families can actually evaluate the program as well. And that's important that we get that feedback from families that we serve. Also, we'll be talking about different various types of formal program assessment. It lists quite a few in this chapter. And also, you'll be able to indicate or describe indicators of program quality. What kind of quality do you want your program to have? You'll be able to indicate different factors of the quality by observing the child's adjustment. Also, you're going to be comparing curriculum models and the possible effect of group care on development, and then determining how to help all children adjust to group care within a program. The SLO that we will be covering this week will be looking at the strengths and limitations of assessment tools. And then to be successful in this week, you're going to want to listen to this video. You want to read Chapter 14 in our textbook. You want to review the videos and the PowerPoints that I have embedded in Module 14 for you. The quiz is due Friday, November 26th at 11:59. This is Thanksgiving week, so I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Make sure to get that quiz in. You can get in early if you'd like, so that way you don't have to worry about it on Friday, but it is due by Friday, 11:59. And then our discussion board is common practices. Your original thread, very important to get that original thread in by Wednesday the 24th, so that's before Thanksgiving, and then to get in your 2 peer posts by Friday. However, you want all 3 of those to be on different days to receive full credit. Let's go ahead and jump into our common practices. So in reviewing the common practices listed in the chapter, this is our discussion for the week. How many do you currently or plan to use? Then you're going to defend your selection and state whether you agree or disagree with the author of our textbook. Now, this is located on page 423 and 424, and it's number 14-3D, and it captions questionable value of common practices. It talks about calendar time, show and tell, whole group time, and waiting time, along with transitions. So you're going to look at that really closely, and you're going to write what you feel you currently use, what you plan to use, and then you're going to defend or state whether you agree or disagree with the writer. Okay, and again, that is due main thread by Wednesday and 2 peer posts by Friday. But again, because of the holiday week, you might want to get all this in early, and that is fine. You're going to continue to work on your peer review. The peer review is due on the 24th, which is Wednesday, the 24th. It's worth 10 points. Make sure you turn that in. Then you'll get yours back, and you'll be able to make updates and revisions to your observation 3, which is due December 3rd, and that is 50 points. And this is a real fun observation about play. Also, please get with me if you, after you're reviewing all your grades, if you see that you have received a 0 somewhere, in other words, something wasn't turned in, please get with me and I can reopen things for partial credit. I'd rather you get partial credit on these than no points at all. So please just send me an email, let me know what you'd like me to reopen, and we'll go from there. Have a fantastic week and a wonderful Thanksgiving. Have a happy Thanksgiving with your family and your friends, and I will talk to you next week.